Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a good old-fashioned Mac haul. This kind of takes me back to the very beginnings of YouTube when Mac was like all the rage. So I went to the Mac store quite a few times last month. Happy July 1st, I can't believe it's July. In the month of June, they had a sale, and then I went and just picked up random things throughout the month, and here it all is. So let me show you everything that I got. The main reason I wanted to go to Mac was to pick up the Studio Fix Tech Foundation. I had come across a video on TikTok of somebody reviewing it, and it looked so good on her skin, so I wanted to give it a try. I have tried the Mac Studio Fix, not the newer formula, the old one. So that might be the next one that I try, but for now I want to try this one because it's less messy, and I tend to do my makeup in the car a lot, so I figured like this would be the better way to go. So I picked it up in actually two different colors. So I got the shade NC30, which is what I'm wearing right now, and I just think it looks so good, and honestly it looks so good the more you wear it. So I'm so happy that this actually has worked out for me because I was nervous it was going to be too thick. It's a medium buildable coverage. It is lightweight, and it just looks so freaking good, and I'm obsessed. And then I wanted to pick it up in a darker color so that I could use it as like a bronzer. So I got NW45, and I am wearing this today as well, and this is what it looks like, and I just wear it as a bronzer. And these are cream to powder formulas, by the way, which I think is why they don't end up looking cakey throughout the day. So got those. And then in line with foundations, I also got this one. It's the full coverage foundation. This one I can only find online. I think it's an online exclusive. I haven't tried it yet, but I also got the shade NC30. It literally comes in a pan like this. I don't think anything, yeah, there's nothing under it. It comes in a pan like this. This is a full coverage pancake makeup, I guess is what they call it. And again, just another foundation that MAC has had for a long time that I've wanted to try. So I went ahead and picked this up. So I hope that I like this. I might try this one next. And then I got a new primer. This is the Studio Radiance Moisturizing and Illuminating Silky Primer. You guys, this primer is so good. This primer is a bomb, okay? If you have never tried any MAC primer before, I suggest you check this one out. It's just like so silky, like it's true to its name. It is really silky. It makes your makeup last all day. It gives you like a radiant kind of glowy finish. It just looks so good, and it actually lasts a really, really long, like it does make your makeup last a really long time. And I love that it comes in a pump. So I've tried this about 2-3 times, and I can confidently say it's a win for me. So I picked up a restock of the Fix Plus Stay Over setting spray. I actually bought this while I was in Vegas on a trip because I forgot my setting spray, and so we were at the mall anyway, so I figured I would just get a replacement, and it's just in the travel size. I've used this before and it works great. So while I was in Vegas, I was going to a concert, and I got sidetracked by all the cute and pretty lip glosses, so I picked up a lip gloss, and this is in the shade Dreamy, and it's a really, really sparkly pink color. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that. That's what it looks like. It's just so cute. I'm gonna put it on. Kind of gives your lips like a metallic kind of look. Oh, this color is so pretty. I'm obsessed. Then I got another lip gloss, but this is just the clear one that comes in the tube. Everyone always raves about this lip gloss. I've never tried it, so during the sale I picked it up because it was like, I don't know, $12 or something, which is pretty good. So yeah, I just got this one to try, and it just makes your lips look really juicy, apparently. And then the last two things I got were an eyeshadow. So this one is in the shade Saddle, right? Yes, Saddle. It's a matte shadow. I used to own this eyeshadow. I think I got rid of it because I had it for so long. So I just picked up a restock because I know that I really, really liked it. And I had kind of been lacking a color like this. Like, I don't really have a color like this in my collection. It's not like super warm, but it's not super cool. It's just like the perfect medium brown, and it's what I have on my eyes right now in the outer corner. And then the last thing I got was a blush, and a lot of people have been asking me when I wear this, especially in my videos, what blush it is. And it's Melba by MAC, such a classic peachy color. Here she is. I'm obsessed. I'm wearing it today as well. But I also pair it with this one. This one is one of their Glow Play blushes, and it's like a creamy, like bouncy blush. And this one is in the shade Grand. So I always wear these two together, and that's the combination that I have on my face right now. I didn't get this recently. I got this a while ago, but these two together are just stunning. So if you have Melba, I would consider picking up Grand in the Glow Play formula because they look so good together. They almost like are meant to be with each other. I don't know how to explain it, but they work. Anyway, that is my haul. I really hope you guys have enjoyed watching. I'll be sure to link everything down below in order of appearance. You guys can go and check it out. I'll also list all of the shade names of everything that I got. But yeah, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.